Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and using a browser that supports Bing and extensions. Once signed in, make sure Rewards is active and Bing is your default search engine so searches register. Next, install a lightweight automation extension. This is the tool that will execute repeated searches for you. Allow only the minimal permissions it needs. This keeps things safe. Once done, position the extension icon on the toolbar so you can access settings quickly and start configuration. Now configure the automation with a well-structured query list so Bing treats searches as distinct. Variety reduces duplicate detection. Enter the Bing search URL pattern and use a placeholder for query insertion. Then set a modest interval of about 5 to 10 seconds between searches to mimic human pace. Make sure the run limit is safe. Avoid hundreds per minute. Use a separate browser profile or incognito window with your signed-in account to prevent cookie mixing. And to keep the rewards, begin with a short test run, 50 searches, and watch that points increment and the browser remains responsive. If you see failures, slow the interval, clear the cache, or reauthorize the extension. These fixes often resolve session or permission issues. If Microsoft flags activity, stop immediately and switch to slower, smaller batches while rotating query lists to look natural. Finally, make sure to check points after completion and sign out when finished. Doing so protects your account and preserves long-term rewards eligibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.